What's the meaning of bout? Bout. Bout.
Bout. Bout. Bout is a shortened form of the word about and is commonly used in conversational English. It is usually pronounced with a relaxed or lazy tone, and often used in informal contexts. The word is typically used to indicate approximately or roughly, such as "it's about time we leave" or "I think it'll take about an hour to get there." In essence, bout implies an approximation or estimate rather than a precise measurement. Its usage is more common in American English than British English and can be found in literature, music, and everyday conversations.